And a very Merry Christmas to each and every one of you, my clients this year. Thank you so much. Lydia Fisher, Merry Christmas. And to your dad, Chuck, and Nancy. Emma, delightful meeting you this year and dancing with you and photographing you. Kara Nicole, so cool. Mad Libs, I love you, darling. And Allie and Stephen, welcome to your first Tennessee Christmas. Carl from Kentucky, thank you. Gracie, absolutely adore you. Laura Locke, thank you so much for your business. And Kirsty, like thirsty. Zainab, thank you for your business this year. I appreciate you so very much, as I do everyone. Shay Himicus, what can I say? Merry Christmas, my brother. And Reagan, the hot mess, Merry Christmas. Tina, thank you, and everybody in Hernando. McKylan, thank you, my darling. What can I say? The shining star on my tree, along with your sister, Talent, thank you. John Day, great meeting you. I appreciate you all in a tough, tough year. I appreciate your business. And, of course, Suzanne and your girls, my goodness gracious, thank you all so much.
Chewy, you're killing me. Chewy Claus, did you get your letter off to Chewy Claus this year in time? I hope so. Chewy stole my hat. Hey, Merry Christmas to you all. And we only have a couple of more weeks here to get this suck year out of the way. Stay healthy. And I wish you the best. By the way, I am shooting in Memphis area, Olive Branch, Hernando, Germantown, Collierville. 28th and 29th, if you are in need of photographs, but you need to book it in the next couple of days. Time is running out. I need to schedule it. So do that. Hit me up here. My phone number is down below, and get a hold of me. And I wish you the absolute very best holiday season. Merry Christmas, everyone.
And this is an OMG moment, if I ever had one. Rose, I forgot to put you on my tree. I am so sorry, my darling. I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.